Alright, what is up YouTube? Trading recap. Today is March 31st, which is Tuesday. It's the last day of the month in 2026. So today I traded micro yes and session New York session. My daily bias was bullish on the day. Let me just show you how I got that really quick. So I'm just gonna go as quick as possible. So on the daily, obviously we could see it was bearish very badly, but I saw this moving up, so I'm like, alright, on lower time frames it's probably gonna be bullish, and I was correct on that. 4 hour bullish, we were moving uptrend through Asia and London sesh. 1 hour, same thing, just moving up slowly. Had a couple accumulation areas, but mostly moved up. And my initial thought here was we were actually going to go down for New York session because so what usually happens, I feel like I've been seeing a decent amount, is we move up in London sesh. We're in an uptrend. I mean, we didn't move too much in London sesh, so I kind of see why we moved up at the start of New York session. But I feel like usually, what the hell did my mouse go? It just disappeared. I feel like it usually like moves up. New York session takes London highs, and then after that we see maybe an inverse or an order block, and then we have retracement to go farther down, and then we move down and cover like maybe London lows. Not usually Asia, but at least London lows. But instead, we kept moving up, so I'm like, you know what? We're looking pretty bullish. And today I low-key shouldn't have traded. Um, Cause, alright, so I usually like to run in the morning before I trade, and I low-key haven't been running. Like, as you can, if you watch the daily vlogs, I haven't been showing the running because I haven't been doing it. So, um, I have like a new little goal. If I don't run in the morning, I'm not trading. So I need to lock in and start making this a habit, so I can just trade every day without like being tired or waking up late. Cause like, dude, if I don't run, I don't wake up to my alarm. Like I low key just like sleep through it. So I got in the market like late, I think around like 10. I think right around here is when I got in. Yeah, 10ish. So what I saw was this order block down here. I'm like, all right, let's see what happens. We moved down. I'm like, oh, hopefully we come into this equilibrium, this order block. It didn't really do that. We just started rejecting up and then made these like wick candles, which was kind of annoying at first. And on the 1 minute, I shouldn't even enter this trade, I'm gonna be honest. A lot of bad things today. So here's what my thought process was here. So it's long, so I'm like, alright, we're coming down, we're gonna hit equilibrium. This is a big fair value. I can't, why am I pointing? Right here's the 5 minute fair value gap. Look, so we come down, we wicked it, and I'm like, alright, I was not looking. I was not looking. I was like up here. I was like looking, cause fuck, bro, why do I keep saying that? All right, so we swept London or London high, and I'm like, all right, we might reject. So I was like up here, like looking if there was an inverse. I was like, oh, well, I guess we kind of inversed here-ish, but like this isn't validated anymore because we already made lower lows. And I'm just like thinking, and while I was thinking, it wicked, and then it came up, and then it wicked again. I missed it, and I'm like, alright, well, we keep wicking. We're like making basically equal lows right now, so I think we might keep pushing higher, doing really strong bullish to the upside. And then I saw this inverse happen, so here's the fair value gap to the downside, fair value gap to the upside. Boom, inversed it right here. I'm like, alright, you know what? If this next candlestick goes above the wick, then I'm gonna enter, so that's what I did. Shouldn't have done that though. Should have waited. Maybe I could have. After I missed these two entries, I should have just like, alright, let's not trade until we find like a new trade or something. Let's not be dumb. Because this would have been the best entry, like if I just entered down here or something. I still would have got stopped out, but it would have been a lot better entry. And, you know, would have been more of a valid trade. But yeah, so that's pretty much the trade. I don't really have anything else to say. There was news at 7 a.m. JOLTS Job Openings and CB Consumer Confidence. I don't know what the hell that means, but didn't really do anything. Like what is? I think it's right here. Is this it? No. Hold up. All right, here. Look, it just wick down, and this one on ES it closed bullish, but on Nasdaq it closed bearish. I'm pretty sure. Is this it? Yeah, closed bearish. Oh yeah, the Nasdaq swept these highs and then went lower. I think it inversed. I'm not sure. Um, but yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Let me check just one more thing. Just I don't want to miss anything. Let me look at what I wrote down. So yeah, the confluences of this trade, you can kind of see dip down into equilibrium. This is the fair value gap, and then the 1 minute inverse kind of like gave me hope. Bullish, it's gonna go up, I think. Um, what I'll do better for next time, I'll stop like I'll like just do better entries, cause I mean I would have got stopped out anyways, but come on, like this entry is terrible. It's so high up. Easily, if this okay, what the hell, bro? This market could have easily came down, maybe hit equilibrium again, and then wicked it, and then came all the way back up so easily from where I was. Like I was in like look at this stop. Like it's just in a horrible place. Bad entry. Down here at least like my stop is down in this like discounted price zone in the order block. Like it's just in a much better area, like less likely to get stopped out. So yeah, today was a loss. Lost around $49.40, down $19 on the month. That's how we're ending it off. And yeah, that's pretty much it. See you guys next month and the next training recap too. So, yep. See ya.